In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your online store using Shopify. Whether you're launching a new store or refining your existing presence, these steps will guide you through personalizing your site to match your brand's identity. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Start off by heading over to your store's homepage. You can do this by navigating to the My Store section from your Shopify dashboard. Here you'll have access to all the tools and options you need for customization. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's the foundation for all your store's settings and features. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Online Store option. Selecting this will open a variety of customization options for your theme. This is where you'll transform the appearance and functionalities of your store to better represent your brand. Once inside the Online Store menu, look for and click the Customize button. This opens up the editor view of your current theme, offering a plethora of customization possibilities. The editor is designed to be intuitive, so take your time to explore the different sections available. Each area corresponds to different parts of your web page, from headers to footers and everything in between. After you've gotten comfortable with the layout, turn your attention to the toolbar's gear icon. This is more than just a settings icon. It serves as a gateway to various specialized settings that enhance your store's aesthetics and functionality. Click on it to unveil additional settings options, keeping in mind that these can vary depending on the theme you're using. The next focus is the logo. Click on Logo located within the theme settings. This opens the section where you can upload your unique brand symbol. Remember, your logo is a cornerstone of your brand identity, so ensure it's high quality and adequately sized to fit the designated area. This change might seem small, but it's significant in defining your brand's overall image. Following the logo, navigate to the Favicon setting. The Favicon is the small icon displayed in browser tabs and bookmarks. Clicking here allows you to upload an image that complements your brand logo, making your store instantly recognizable even in a crowded browser window. Consistency is key, so ensure your Favicon aligns with your overall brand aesthetics. Finally, after making the necessary changes, remember to click on Done to save your modifications. This crucial step ensures that all your customization efforts are applied, allowing your customers to experience your thoughtfully designed store. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of Shopify store customization, creating a virtual space that's as unique and dynamic as your brand itself. Stay tuned for more tips, and happy selling!